Good morning. It's Ryan with Stoic Mindset Trading. It's hot out here today. Not hot, it's a little warm. A little warmer than the last couple of days, but it feels good. Today I want to talk about losses. You are going to lose while trading. Losing is one of the best things, one of the best lessons you're going to ever learn is how to lose properly. Understanding that most trades you take are going to be bad trades. You're more likely to lose than you are to win. But having a mindset of understanding that is a part of the game. Knowing how to control your losses and your wins, so your wins are bigger than your losses. Having your win to loss ratio set properly. But having a loss is very important. You learn lessons from losing. You have to lose to learn a lesson. You don't know how bad you are or what you have to work on until you lose at a trade. Somebody could teach you everything you need to know about trading. And unless you lose, you're not going to understand it properly. My best lessons ever were from my losses. My big losses. I've had a couple of days where I've lost a crap load of money trading, especially before I got into trading futures. I used to trade regular stocks. I lost quite a bit, but it's part of it. It's inevitable. You are going to lose at trades. You're going to mess up on trades. You're going to have bad days. Understand those bad days, understand why you had those bad days, analyzing everything is very important. Every time I take a trade, I analyze the trade. I ask myself, why did I take this trade? What was I looking for? What did I get? Was it a good trade? Was it a bad trade? Was it an impulsive trade? What was my point of the trade? I do that for every good trade. I do that for every bad trade. I always analyze my trades. I keep very good notes on my trades so I can go back and read them. When I'm done with my day, if I have a red day, I'll go back and read my trades for the day. And I'll see what I did wrong, why I did what I did, how I made my decisions. Let it play a part in what I do next. I don't allow it to consume me though. Um, but I love losses. I embrace loss. I look forward to losses. I take them as a positive, and I look forward to the next day and the next move. But I do have losses like everybody else. But I appreciate them. I enjoy them because I'm always learning something. Every day I trade, I'm learning something different. Every day I trade, I learn something new, and I enjoy every bit of it. Not sure if you see, we got a helicopter flying over right here. There it is, where I live. There's a helicopter station right near me, so they're constantly flying around here. Um, Going that direction is another one. So we have one behind you. There's a station where the helicopters land and work out of, and then right over here, right directly the helicopter's going, maybe a half a mile, if that, is another landing pad for helicopters. But back to the point of the video. Losses are important. You want to embrace losses. You want to understand that they're going to happen. You can't take those personal. There's no way you can become a good trader without having to deal with loss. It's impossible. You're not going to do it. You will never become a good trader without losing something. It's just inevitable. So embrace it, understand it, but don't give up. Never give up. Always stay focused on your trades. Always stay focused on the goals. Even if you got to take a break. Sometimes I'll take a day break, a couple minute breaks. Sometimes I'll take a month break from trading just to get my mind back in the right place. you know? So never give up. Keep focused. Always try to do better. Understand this is part of the game. You're going to lose. And it's all a part of the game. I'm going to continue my walk this morning. Thank you for joining me. I'll be back again tomorrow. Actually, no, tomorrow's Saturday. I may or may not do a video on Saturday for walking, maybe something else. But subscribe, like this if you do like the video. I look forward to talking to you all more and doing more videos. And to be honest with you, these videos are more for me than you. Helps keep me disciplined and focused on what I have to do. Making myself accountable by putting myself out there makes me more accountable. Hopefully somebody else can learn from it.